Your existence is a fragile mistake in the dark. This object deletes human importance with a breath. Wolf-Rayet stars are cosmic, ticking time bombs in space. One sneeze from this monster strips an atmosphere bare. The sun is a silent witness to this coming slaughter. Human life depends on a thin layer of protective gas. This star is preparing to tear that layer away forever. It sheds its outer mass in a violent and lethal wind. You are standing in a cosmic firing range every day. The Milky Way is a gallery of weapons aimed at you. This star does not care about your art or history. It only knows the physics of total and absolute destruction. Your world is a target that cannot move or hide. The universe is a cold executioner with no face. The trigger has already been pulled in the distance. You are just waiting for the impact.